the station, ready for his first train of the day. He was running. He had woke up a bit early, so he decided to go to the station early. Remember, we're a bit early, so we might have to wait a bit. A bit? Wow. How late are we? Oh, 15 minutes. Oh, here he comes, finally. Here I am. Sorry I'm late. Oh, this is embarrassing. What kept you? The signalman switched the points. Oh, don't give me that. I'm serious. Yeah, right. Anyway, I got to go. Goodbye. Hopefully I can make up lost time. You know, you could have been nicer. He literally made us quarter an hour late. Good point, but still. Anyway, what's our first stop? I don't know. It should be the next station. Ah, I see. Here it comes. We have to wait for Colty to come by. Oh, I see. Here he comes now. Morning, you two. Morning, Colty. See you guys at the station tonight. Yeah, you too, if we make it back on time. Come on. We don't want to be any later. I know, driver. Do you think we can make up lost time? If we go fast enough, I think we can. We're already going 4 miles over the speed limit. Yes, but at least we're not going an unsafe speed. True. Let's stop here to pick up a couple passengers. Calm down. He's as little left. You say that, but then we're gonna be like 10 minutes late. Driver. You don't know that, Eric. Yes, I do. I know you. We always end up being late, even if we try to be on time. Mustn't be late. Soon we finally reach the summit. Yes, finally. Wait, we're only 3 minutes late? Huh, that's not as bad. The